you're experiencing audio desync issues in GTA 5, follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix the problem. This guide will help you restore proper audio synchronization in the game. Step 1. Check audio settings. Go to the game's audio settings and ensure that the audio output device is correctly set. Make sure the correct speakers or headphones are selected and adjust the volume levels as needed. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Visit the website of your audio device manufacturer and download the latest drivers. Installing updated drivers can resolve compatibility issues that may cause audio desync. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam or Epic Games, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which may fix audio issues. Step 4. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game to see if performance improves. Sometimes high graphics settings can cause performance lag, leading to audio desync. Experiment with different settings to find a balance. Step 5. Restart the game and system. After making changes, restart GTA 5 and your computer. This can help apply the new settings and clear any temporary glitches that could be causing audio desync. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve audio desync issues in GTA 5. If problems persist, consider checking online forums for additional solutions or updates.